Get ready with me. I'm going to do some drain cleaning and some pipe inspection. Here we go. Hey everyone, here's a cleaning tip. If you have a smelly drain, right now my drain smells like, yeah, we'll just leave it that way. I got baking soda in here. I'm going to use some essential oil. I'm just going to pour a few drops down in there. Then I'm just going to add squeeze a little bit of dishwashing soap here, just a little bit here to clean the drain out. Then I'm going to take my white vinegar. I'm just going to pour it in there, let it set up for a minute there, and then I'm going to run the water, and the drain will be good and clean. Now, only reason why I don't use harsh chemicals, because depending on the type of pipes that you have, you're going to be careful. Some people use bleach, but I'm kind of leery about that, so I'd rather use natural ingredients. So there you have it. And you just run the water. It'll give it a good clean. It'll do. So there you have it. And finally, I'm just doing a final check here. Make sure the water goes down okay. Let me just check, make sure. Okay, it's okay. That little bubble, kind of questionable, but yeah, I'll keep my eye on it. Whew, smells so much better. Okay, so here I'm up under the sink. I'm doing pipe check. I always like to come through here once a week. I'm just cleaning whatever dust is collected on here, but I like to get in here. I like to look for any leakage or anything strange, because we all know plumbing costs money. So I like to do a quick inspection, make sure the water lines is great. This is a little warm here because I got finished running the hot water. But even though this is relatively new, when I bought the condo, doesn't matter. Always you want to come in here and check for any leakage. You don't ever want to let water leakage get out of control. So that's my home inspection for today. So that's my tip. Just check once a week or twice, or however, to make sure there's no leakage, especially when you get through here. All right, so here we have it. Thanks for checking in, and have an awesome day, and I will see you on the next video.